Hello and welcome. Today we will explore how Industry 4.0 is revolutionizing the construction industry, making it smarter, safer, and more sustainable. Before diving into Industry 4.0, let's take a quick look at the previous industry revolutions. Industry 1.0. It began in the late 18th century, introducing mechanization and steam power to manufacturing. This era shifted production from handcraft to machine-driven process. Industry 2.0, around the 19th century, brought mass production and the use of electrical energy, significantly improving productivity and enabling assembly line techniques. Industry 3.0 emerged in the late 20th century. With the advent of automation, computers, and robotics, enhancing efficiency through programmable system and early forms of digital technology. Industry 4.0 represents the latest stage of industrial evolution, where digital technologies integrate seamlessly with manufacturing processes. Unlike previous revolutions that focused on mechanization, electrification, and computerization, Industry 4.0 introduced advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, the IoT, that is Internet of Things, big data, robotics, and 3D printing. The foundation of Industry 4.0 lies in the core pillars: interconnectivity, which allows devices and systems to communicate seamlessly, real-time data analytics for process optimization, AI-driven automation, and strong cybersecurity to ensure secure operations. In the construction industry, these technologies bring remarkable benefits. Drones enable precise site surveys, 3D printing facilities, rapid prototyping. Robotics handle repetitive tasks efficiently, and AI offers intelligent decision-making and predictive maintenance. Sustainability is another critical advantage. Tools like building information modeling or BIM not only enhance design but also help reduce waste by providing precise material estimates. Sensors, meanwhile, monitor energy usage in real time, driving greater efficiency. The Internet of Things or IoT connects devices and sensors, offering valuable insights for monitoring and control. A great example is home automation, where next-generation sensors optimize lighting, temperature, and security, improving both comfort and energy efficiency. Augmented and virtual reality also play vital roles in construction. They provide design visualization, virtual training for workers, and collaborative opportunities that reduce errors and enhance project outcomes. Real-world examples include the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona and Hudson Yards in New York. In conclusion, Industry 4.0 is transforming construction, paving the way for smarter, safer, and more efficient practices. As technology continues to advance, the construction sector will benefit from improved collaboration, increased safety, and innovative, sustainable solutions driving new business models. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of construction and technology.